Right guys, so just in this house here we have it all floated and all ceilings done, and now we're onto the walls. So got quite a large head of walls on yesterday. Oh, you fat mark. But yeah, quite a large amount of walls on yesterday. And hopefully today we'll have the back of this house broke. Still a good bit to do in this hallway and stuff as well. But I'm gonna come in and smash out this half of this room and start splitting up. This room's not too bad. But yeah, for site work like this one's pretty big like. Like it took 16 tubs to float it out. Although some of that's to do with the walls being very heavy, especially window walls. Seem to be pretty heavy. All the bottoms and stuff. But yeah, upstairs mostly done. Just wee bits and pieces left. Some walls up here. Some walls in the hallway. These walls here and there. But yeah, if you just look in this room, you can see how much of a nightmare it is. It's like crystal maze. Walls and angles and beads everywhere. But yeah, same as this big room in here, pretty similar sort of shape with a walk-in wardrobe, and just stuff everywhere. But yeah, just shows you with the window open how quickly stuff actually dries out. The walls bone dry, so the window's open. Yeah, wish me luck the rest of the day, guys. Just a bit of a sore back down them ceilings and stuff, so, and the floating I think too. Just the last two walls to finish off, and then out the door. But everything all ran up, all done. Serious amount of floating. I think it was 16 tubs or something in this house. Nice awkward onto the stairs. All the ceilings done. Bathroom done. Yeah, it looks nice actually, even though it's a wee bit of a funny sort of shape. Again, a big ceiling, absolute backbreaker. Literally a backbreaker. Back room done. Box. Still a wee bit brighter outside than it is inside. And upstairs obviously all done as well. Nice awkward big staircase. Plenty of room, but just awkward. You can see. Nice and awkward. But just room after room up here. Beads everywhere. An absolute amount of beads covered. I think that was a handy cover just to seal it. But like a room inside a room, you know what I mean? Just relentless. Oh sweet. A wee bit of wood there to help us out. And again, down the hallway here. Go into here, there's another crystal maze job. Beads upon beads, and that big wall there took some stuff. Corners. Lots of awkwardness in these houses, for sure. Bathroom, I think this wasn't too bad again. That sort of takes a wide angle out for you, or an angle out. Cupboard done, seems like drying pretty good as well. Again, another nice big bedroom. Just waiting on the final flexi trap, and then I'm gonna hit the road.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.